Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are starting off the new year right by starting off with my favorite series on my channel. That is my sheer search series. Literally this series is about me showing you guys the options that are out there when it comes to sheer complexion products, because nowadays everybody's always about medium to full, like getting the fullest coverage possible, and not everybody wants that super full coverage. So that is why I created this series. Let's go ahead and get started, because I do have a new product, a new product to me that I'll be reviewing today, and that is this guy right here. So this is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. Okay, so this tinted gel cream that I got from Bare Minerals is $30, and there's a total of 16 shades. I have the darkest shade here in Sienna 10. And the claims that it makes, it says that treat your skin every day with a powerhouse of skincare benefits infused with naturally radiant color, ooze on effortlessly with just the right amount of coverage. Instantly, your complexion reveals a dewy, healthy looking glow. Antioxidant rich, energizes the skin. It's lightweight, non-chemical SPF of 30, clinically tested, dermatologist tested, and hypoallergenic. It's formulated without oil, silicone, parabens, and fragrance. And this is what the bottle looks like right here, and you get 1.18 fluid ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this guy using a Morphe M439 brush. Now this foundation claims that it is buildable up to a almost sheer to medium coverage. With these products, I find that with sheer complexion products, I find that just starting off a little smaller and then working your way up with it, specifically in certain areas, really helps bring the product out or bring it to its best coverage, versus like packing a whole lot on and trying to blend that out. Okay, so this is one layer of the product on my face right now. So looking at it the way that it is now, it definitely evened out my complexion a little bit. I like the finish that it's giving off. It says it's giving a dewy finish, but I feel like this is more so of a natural skin finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to build this up, specifically on the center of my face right here, and see how that looks built up. Okay, so this is the foundation built up on my skin. So based on my first impressions of it before I do the wear test, is I definitely enjoy the finish of this foundation. It looks really nice, really natural, not dewy like it was gonna say, and it's not matte either. It's like, for me, it's smack dead in the middle, which is what I prefer. As far as the color goes, when it comes to tinted moisturizers, sheer complexion products, and things like that, I always expect to have to get the darkest shade, which unfortunately that is the case with this foundation. But also, with that being said, they usually lean on the red side, and on the website this color Sienna claimed to be more of a neutral shade, and I can definitely say that it's more so kind of like neutral leaning, almost red. It's definitely not too red, and it's not making me look orange, which is definitely a good thing. So far I'm really liking this foundation. So I'm gonna go on with the rest of my day, and I'll be back at the end of the day to tell you guys my thoughts on this foundation. Hey guys, so I am back after a long day of work. So this is the state of the tinted moisturizer that I have on right now. The tinted moisturizer that I have on right now is, of course, what I said to you earlier in the video, is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. Let's talk about what the gel cream claimed to do. So the one thing that it said first is that it was going to be lightweight. So I definitely agree that this gel cream is very lightweight on the skin. I barely felt it all day. Like, I didn't even feel like I had any makeup on, which is definitely a good thing. Also, it says it's going to pretty much blend out effortlessly on the skin, and I definitely agree with that. I'm assuming because the formula is a more so of a gel formula, which is why it kind of glides on and easily blends into the skin, which for somebody like me who has more of a combination skin type, it's definitely like having those gel products is definitely, in my opinion, a good thing. Like gel tinted moisturizers, not gel tinted moisturizers, but like gel moisturizers and things like that, just because they melt into the skin a lot easier for most skin types. So that's definitely, I agree with that. It does say that it's buildable from sheer all the way to a medium coverage. I would say it's definitely sheer, but I wouldn't say it's buildable to like a medium coverage, maybe kind of like a more like a milder medium coverage, kind of like that lower end of the medium coverage spectrum. As far as the finish goes, it claims to have more of a dewy finish. Like I said earlier in the video, I felt like when I initially put it on, it had more of a natural skin finish, and as it wore throughout the day, because of my oils coming through, things like that, it definitely got to that dewy finish state like it is right now. But it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. It's not like a greasy, oily, dewy finish, which what most people who have combination skin or people who have more like just straight up oily skin fear. It didn't do that for me. So if you have combination skin, or I would even say even dry skin, I would definitely say pick this up. If you have oily skin, use a mattifying primer and then use this on top so you can kind of keep your oils in check if you do want to keep that kind of like natural looking finish, and if you do want to look dewy but not so like greasy looking. But definitely for my combo skin guys and gals, and also for my dry skin guys and gals, I definitely recommend picking this up because this is really good. I really enjoyed it. One of the biggest reasons why I enjoyed it is because it lasted a pretty long time. Like this, like honestly, like even my absolute favorite tinted moisturizer, the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, doesn't wear as long as this one does. And this one is like, this one is good. The only con that I have to say is that the shade range. I feel like, not that I feel like, I know that the shade range could be better, especially on the deeper end of the spectrum. There could be a lot more shades on the deeper end of the spectrum. So I definitely say bare minerals. If you already like aren't planning on expanding the shade range of this, you definitely should if you're not thinking about it already, because this is a great product. So that was it for this sheer search video. If there are other sheer complexion products that you guys would like me to try out, definitely leave them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when I do upload my videos. And yeah guys, I will catch you guys later in the next video. Bye.